In front of me is HONOR X7A, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. You need to begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same icon again. Then selecting Close in the pop-up. If you want to, you can also access devices settings. Scroll down and click on Location section. Lastly, tap on this switcher next to Access My Location to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!